In this video, you'll learn how to change the date format in Microsoft To Do by updating your language and region settings in Microsoft 365. If your tasks are showing dates in a format you're not used to, like day, month, year instead of month, day, year, or vice versa, this walkthrough will help you get everything looking the way you prefer. First, open your web browser and go to office.com. This is the main portal for Microsoft 365 apps and services. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. This is important because the changes you're about to make are linked to your account, not just your device. Once you're signed in and you can see the Office homepage with your apps and recent files, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a gear icon which represents settings. Click on this gear icon to open the settings panel. When the panel opens, look for the option labeled Language and Time Zone. Sometimes it appears under a section like Settings or General, depending on your version of the portal, but Language and Time Zone is the key phrase you're looking for. Go ahead and click that. This opens the area where you control how dates, times, and some other regional formats are displayed across your Microsoft 365 apps. It's important to understand that Microsoft To Do uses these account-level language and region settings to decide how to show dates. That means there's no separate date format switch inside the To Do app itself. Instead, it follows whatever you choose here. You should now see options for language, country or region, and time zone. To change the date format, you'll want to adjust the language and region settings. Different regions use different default date formats. For example, many English United States settings use month, day, year, while many European and other regions use day, month, year. From the language drop-down, choose the language that matches the region whose date format you want. If there is a separate region or country field, make sure that also matches your preferred location, because the region often controls details like date order, separators, and whether the day is shown with leading zeros. Take a moment to confirm your selections so they reflect how you want dates to appear. Choosing the right combination here will affect not only Microsoft To Do, but also other Microsoft 365 apps like Outlook and Calendar, keeping things consistent across your account. After you've selected the language and region you want, apply or save your changes. The exact button may say Save OK or something similar, but the idea is to confirm and store your new settings. Once you've saved, it might take a little time for the changes to show up everywhere. If Microsoft To Do is already open in a browser, refresh the page. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, you may want to close and reopen the app so it can pick up the new settings from your account. Then look at any task with a due date and confirm that the date format now matches your preference. I'll show you the easiest way to finish up. After confirming the new format in To Do, keep in mind that any other Microsoft 365 apps tied to this account will also follow these language and region settings. That way, your entire Microsoft environment stays consistent and easier to read.